Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, maybe you're checking out the Watson's affiliate program, and maybe you're wondering, can you actually make money by promoting Watson's products online? It's actually a really cool way to generate some extra income. Let's take a look at how this actually works, all right? Is this a good way or not? Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below, and I'll share my favorite strategy with you. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different methods to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out the Watson's affiliate program to find out whether this is a good method or a not so good method. Let's check it out. Now, the Watson's affiliate program can be accessed by through a website called Involve Asia. They are a very big affiliate marketing network in Asia, and it's actually really simple. All you do is you come straight into Involve Asia, all right? And you can just sign up for free. So create an account in Involve Asia, and after you've actually done everything, you would submit your application for the Watson's affiliate program, and usually that will take a few days for you to get access. And then once you get that, you just go to your dashboard, go to your Discovery and Advisor directory. You can just find Watson's there, all right? And then once you find it, you can hit apply. And what happens is you can use the deep link generator to create your actual links, and then you can link it directly to Watson's, all right? Now, once you've actually done that, how does this actually work? Because you have to be able to promote Watson's products so that people can see it, they can click on it, and if they go to Watson's and they buy something, you're going to make a commission, okay? So let's first talk about the commission rates. So that you understand how much money that you're going to earn, and then we'll go from there, okay? So the commission rate that is being paid by Involve Asia is 2.1%. Now, 2.1% isn't that much. Honestly, it's quite low, right? Let me just do the calculations for you. If somebody purchases something for whatever, 50 ringgit or 50 sing or whatever it is, right? Multiply by 2.1%, you're literally making 1 ringgit or 1 sing or whatever currency you're in Asia, okay? Because Watson's is available all over Asia, right? So 2.1% commissions isn't that much. And so let me explain to you, who this is good for and who this may not be so good for, right? So first of all, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's very simple. It's just referral marketing, right? So you share your links, a customer clicks on the link, the customer buys, the affiliate network will track the conversion, and then you get paid a commission directly by the network. Now, in this case, you're going to be paid by Involve Asia because Involve Asia is working with Watson's to manage their affiliate program, all right? Now, if you're only being paid 2.1% commissions, this is great for somebody that is already in the beauty space. So for example, if you already have a blog or you have a very big following, maybe you're an Instagram influencer, you have a big channel on TikTok, on YouTube, Snapchat, whatever it is, and you're talking about, beauty and things like that, right? And all you do is you just say, hey, listen, I'm using this pimple cream right here, or this facial moisturizer, and if you want it, you can get it from Watson's, and just you'll go ahead and click the link below, and once you click it, you can go and pick it up, right? Now, if I'm that kind of influencer, and I already have a following of 20,000 people, 500,000, 5,000, whatever, then a bunch of people are going to click on the link, and they're going to check out that moisturizer, right? And some of them will buy, and you'll make a commission of 2.1%. Not too bad. It depends on how many followers you have, but you'll make some money, right? So that's great for somebody that already has some sort of following or is established, okay? But if you're a beginner and you're just getting started, it's going to be very difficult for you to do this from scratch. The other thing as well is if you're only being paid 2.1% commissions, it's going to take a lot of effort for you to make anything really significant, all right? And when I mean significant, I'm talking about 10,000 ringgit, 20,000, 30,000. I like to think in dollars, right? US dollars. So my target is always minimum 10,000 US dollars for a month for affiliate marketing, right? That's about 42,000 ringgit, okay? Depending on, convert it for whichever currency that you're in Asia, because the Watson's affiliate program is mainly for Southeast Asia, right? But if you're watching this and you're not from Asia, keep watching because I'm teaching you, a thing or two in this video, okay? So it's really about understanding how do you maximize your commissions, all right? So it's not that the Watson's affiliate program is bad. It is what it is, okay? The thing about a lot of large companies, retail companies like Nike, like Reebok, like Watson's, they can only pay roughly about 2% to 5% commissions for their product because it's a physical item, all right? They have a hard manufacturing cost to the item, so they can't pay out that much money because it eats into their profits, and the profits aren't super high because it costs money to manufacture the product. So actually the Watson's affiliate program is pretty normal, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%. If you go to one of the biggest biggest affiliate networks in the world, Amazon Associates, right? You can resell Amazon products, all of their products. You can grab individual links, and Amazon only pays 3 to 5% commissions on all of the sales that you make. So it's also very low, all right? Now there is actually a better way to do this, and you can sell digital products where you're making commission rates of 30 to 70%, much higher. Okay, so it just depends on what you want to do. I think that if you're somebody that's already established, you're maybe a big influencer, maybe you've got a following, you've got a blog that talks about beauty, in this specific case, right, for Watsons, then I think this is great. Come here, sign up for the Involve Asia affiliate program. It's a great program, great network, right? And basically you can sign up, grab your link, and once you grab your link, you can just promote it to your audience very easily. And if people buy directly through your referral link, for every sale that you make, you'll make 2.1% of the retail value of that product. Not bad. You just made a little bit of extra money, right? But if you're an absolute beginner and you don't have a following, you have to start from scratch. It might be advisable for you to choose a different type of product where you're making more commissions, so that your effort, if you're getting started from scratch, let's say you want to start a brand new TikTok channel, a brand new YouTube channel, brand new Instagram channel, right? And you want to start from scratch and you want to build an audience in whatever niche. It could be the beauty niche, it could be in the meditation, yoga, weight loss, right? Business building space, whatever you want. Every time you generate a sale, hopefully, if you're making more commissions per sale, it's going to be easier for you to get to your big income goals, right? So instead of 2% commissions, you're making 50% commissions, right? And so it's going to be a lot easier for you to generate those big incomes, right? So if you want to check out the Watsons affiliate program, this is how you do it. It's not a bad program. It just depends on who you are. Are you already established, or are you an absolute beginner? Okay, you can check it out, involve.asia. And you can check out the Watsons affiliate program by logging in there. All right. Now, if this is the first time that you're watching my videos, on this channel, I review literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. One of my favorite methods to generate income out of all the things I've reviewed is affiliate marketing. Okay. I've used it to actually change my life. I used it to replace my full-time income. And so if you would like to find out exactly how I do it, I like to actually market higher ticket, higher percentage commission products, especially if you're a beginner. If you've got no experience, you've got no followers, you're starting from scratch, you don't have any tech, you're not very good at tech stuff, and you want to learn how to do this properly, go ahead and click the link below. I've got a free step-by-step masterclass that shows you exactly how I did it, and you can model it if you want. All right. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Watsons affiliate program. All the best to you, and I will see you on the next video review. Take care.